Hello everyone, my name is Patrick. Welcome to another episode of Viral Car Videos, where we react to viral car videos. Yes, indeed, a very apt name. And in this episode, we are reacting to Idiots in Car number 30. Let's just go. Oh no! Yo, what is he doing? How? He's going so slowly too. How does that happen? Yo, stop me! Fuck! What are you doing? Oh my god! What an idiot! What is he like? I guess he's not paying attention, or is he veering? Did he fall asleep? I don't know. We'll never find out. But that guy's pissed. Okay, what's gonna happen here? What's gonna happen? Yo! Oh shit! Dude, I almost fell out of my chair. Oh, that's so bad. Whew, this is so scary. Yo, I almost shot myself, and I'm just watching the video. Okay, so what's happening here? I'm not too sure. Seems pretty standard at the moment. Ooh, speed. Fast and Furious. Wow. He was in a rush. He got there. He really wanted to go to that spot.
Welcome. This is KUNR.
Oh. Beautiful lane change by him.
And I know such name emails.
Look at that. I love that. He just left. He's like, oh, he succeeded. He lane changed, smooth, and he's out of there. And the guy driving got pooped on. Driving. Oh, I didn't even see what happened. Let's see. Kind of hard to see what happened there, but it wasn't good. Alright, let's see what's here. You see the rear end view. Man, these cameras are so useful. I wonder if
prices are going down. Oh shit.
Wait, what?
I wonder if prices are going down.
Oh, he stopped. He went to a full stop. Oh, because that car stopped. Okay.
Brakes are, oh shit.
Yeah, don't drive too fast in the aisle. You gotta always be attentive.
No,
Attentive, this is my attentive. Oh. What? Was he trying to impress someone, or what was he doing?
Brakes are, oh shit.
no.
Backing up. Oh! What did he hit? Is that a bump? Oh. Great success. Back parking into a crowded house. And he is... Nailed it. Oh, why? Why do you do that? Oh, okay. Left turn signal. Ooh. That truck did not want it to go.
Oh my god.
That sucks for the people turning left right now. Oh. Is he gonna handle it? Is he gonna fall? The driver just turns around and oh, that's smart though. I think that's really smart by the driver. Like that's what you should do, right? Like you see the giant truck heading towards you. I'm out. Peace out. Dude, that's scary. Oh no. Welcome for the sound effects. Oh, he thinks he's he identifies the train. Car identity is no joke. When he's stuck, obviously. Is he? Yo, he oh my god. Why was he at least he didn't get hit, but an idiot. An idiot.
So it's this big steel patrol boat. It's probably 50 feet long. It's got lots of rust all over the place.
Oh, he got rear-ended.
On the front of it, it's got a tripod mounted machine gun.
Like that's so scary about when you're driving like that. Like, how do you even? You can't even really expect it. Oh, he's not even paying attention. He's just.
Oh, there was a car crash.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine. Is someone gonna try to cross the train? Yo, can he make it? Is he gonna go for it? Don't go for it. Don't go for it. Yeah, that's smart. That's smart.
What are you doing?
No! Dude. Oh my god, look at the dog struggling. He's like such an old dog. Yo, he had places to go, huh? He really needed to cross that train. That train's going so fast, too. I know. Oh, I know what happened here. He's like, just put it in the back of the truck, and I'm heading out. This is a major order here. Major order, major service. Sorry guys, wrong store. Hey guys. I'm just gonna head home now. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Okay, nothing too bad there. Oh my god. Okay. How? And you just right turn. Why would you? He literally just turned right. Like he turned right. Very slowly, by the way. It was in the middle of the lane. The guy on top and head turns left. And he turns left again. Like he could just turn left. He could have just turned left. Oh. Bug beetle. Yellow beetle. Ooh.
Oh my god, baby.
Ooh. Is he gonna be okay?
Oh my god.
I think you got lucky. Everyone's paying attention. There's a hydroplaning maybe? It looks like it's raining, but. Gunshots? Oh shit. I don't know why we rewinded that. He gets to see the beautiful neighborhood. If you use my lane, I will use your lane. Just ciao. I guess. Yeah, like as a biker, like, I don't know why would you even use the road, especially when there is a lane just for you. I guess that's a pedestrian road, but there's no one there. Oh, well, that's the last video there. That was pretty interesting. Well, let's just check the comments because I always like checking the comments. Comments are always fun. The best part of YouTube. Best part of YouTube. Alright, I'll just read the first few. So, pinned by idiots in car, buy me a coffee. Okay, no. You know it's gonna be a bra moment when the cam is inside the store. Yeah, like, as soon as we saw the cam inside the store, we knew exactly what was gonna happen. And it turned out pretty well. Like, no one's hurt, and he just backed out like nothing happened. Like, chill day at work. The dog owner is going to get him killed one way or the other. Yeah, like he's gonna either run over the dog or like, why even risk that? Let's see some replies. Yeah, that pissed me off. That video has made the rounds online. Hopefully someone recognizes that you didn't give them help for it. Yeah, that was horrible. People need to learn not to yank their wheel as hard as they possibly can when someone slightly drifts off into their lane. That is a point, but just don't drift off in other people's lanes. The a-hole and the ATV should not own a dog. Yeah, the reaction at 240 is the absolute best thing they could have done. Let's see. Yeah, I agreed. I was like, oh, nah, I'm out. not today, not today. Yeah, I agree with that. That was a fun video. Well, thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, please give us a like and thumbs up, and see you guys next time.